to show you how to use your image manager up at the top here. You can upload as many images as you like on this image manager, as long as you do it in batches of 20. You'll see it throughout different areas of School Spider, and it all works in the exact same way. All you're going to do is select choose your image, and you're going to select up to 20 images at a time. Click open. You can give them a title if you want to, or you can just click save, and those images are going to upload for you. Once you've uploaded your images, they're going to go onto your website page just like this, into little thumbnails you can then click on to expand and move between them like you do on the likes of Google or Facebook.